another video. Me and my daughter Emily. Say hi, Emily. We're taking the old S10 out to Beech Bend drag strip. They're having Camaro Fest, Camaro and Fbody Fest, excuse me. So yeah, we're gonna check that out. Do a little video for y'all, for those of you that actually care enough to watch. And if this is your first time here, my name's Zach. I do car content, and you know, of course, a little bit of family involved. You know, I got wife and kids, and currently the truck I'm in is part of my first trade-up challenge I'm doing for YouTube. Not the first trade-up challenge I've ever done for myself, but anything I've ever documented, that is. So I'm gonna drive it up there and kind of, when I park in the parking lot, throw my for sale sign on it. You know, see if anybody offers me anything for it, because with my trade-up challenge, we're doing either sell for more money than I got in it and buy something else. I'm going to consider that a trade-up, or trade directly up to something else. So even though I'm calling it a trade-up challenge, it's really just a, you know, get a better vehicle one way or another. So that's just a little recap for those of you that haven't been keeping up with my videos. Can't tell in the video, the S10 is lowered, it rides like a log truck, but the AC's cold, radio's new, put a new battery in it, and I mean it does drive pretty good and it runs perfect, so can't complain about it. It'll make somebody a good daily, or somebody a good start for a mini truck, because it's already got a bunch of work done to it. And if you haven't seen the truck, I have a video, a walk around video talking about it. Go back at my channel and check that out. So, yeah, I'll get back with y'all here in a little bit, but we just cruising on to Bowling Green. See y'all. Say, stick around at the end of the video.
Stick around with the end of the video.
And you'll get to see the cars that I thought were the best.
See my car around with the best.
Say like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Say see ya.
See ya.